one of my delicious salad recipes. Let's dive into the video. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using cucumber and a lot of vegetables. So I'll leave the ingredients in my YouTube description button. Okay, so do well to check the name of the ingredients. Okay, so I peeled off the cucumber. I did that because most of the time it's bitter and I just don't want to take that chance. Okay, this is salad. There shouldn't be any bitterness. Okay, so I am slicing my cucumber into my preference. You can do the same anyhow you want it. And this is tomatoes. I'm doing the same thing. Okay, I like it smaller, so go ahead, do yours bigger and as you want. All right, and note, salad is a choice. You can just go ahead and add any vegetable of your choice. Okay, whatever I am using, if you don't like, you can opt it out and replace with what you want. And that's my lettuce. It's been washed clean with vinegar, salt and lemon. All right, so I'm going to use my hands to be tearing this. My dear, go ahead and use knife if that's what makes you comfortable. Okay, and to my subscribers, guys, keep doing the magic. Thank you so much for liking, for subscribing, for sharing. My returnees, God bless you. Please don't stop. Kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post. Okay, so after tearing, I added all the vegetables together and I start separating my eggs with my egg cutter. Okay, I used 3 eggs for this recipe. It depends on the amount of the salad you want. Okay, so I added some tuna flakes. You can opt this one with sardine, or you can add sardine, you can add baked beans, you can go ahead and do what you want. Okay, so I added some oregano. There's this secret with salad and oregano, guys. It's so delicious. If you haven't tried it before, go ahead and try it and let me know in the comment section. At this point, go ahead and add your favorite salad dressing and you're gonna thank me later. Okay, try this and let me know in the comment section. I know you are definitely going to try this. My name is Dr. Rosie. I bring you nothing but the best. See you in my next video. Bye.